Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing a problem related to Z transform. This is an easy level example. It's just the beginning that we are starting with the examples. Before we go into the solving part, if you have not subscribed to Emmanuel Tutorials yet, do subscribe and press the like button. Also share this video and the channel with your friends who are in need. Also, you might have noticed the join button below the channel name. Do check that out and enjoy the benefits that come along with it. So let's start. Here the question or the input signal that is given is x of n is equal to 1 for n equal to -1, 2 for n equal to 0, -1 for n equal to 1, 1 for n equal to 2 and 0 otherwise. Now we have already seen in the previous videos the formula for Z transform. It is given by x of z equal to summation k running from -infinity to +infinity x of k into z raised to -k. Now what we have to do is expand this value for each of the values between -infinity to +infinity. Here we have been given values of the signal at particular points, that is n equal to -1, n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2 and otherwise. So what we can do is this otherwise part can be eliminated because it is 0 anyways. All the values of the signal at the other points are 0, so 0 into z raised to anything is going to give us 0. So those points can be eliminated and x of z equal to, we have the value of the signal at x of 1, so x of 1 into z raised to minus of -1 plus x of 0, this will be x of -1 into z raised to minus of -1, x of 0 into z raised to minus of 0 plus x of 1 into z raised to -1 plus x of 2 into z raised to -2. Now we have the values of the signal at each of the points. At -1 the value of the signal is 1, so it will be 1 into z raised to 1 because minus into minus is plus x of 0 is 2, so 2 into z raised to 0 plus x of 1 is -1, -1 into z raised to -1 plus x of 2 is 1, so 1 into z raised to -2. Now if we write it in simpler terms, it will be z, 1 into z plus 2 because z raised to 0 is 1 minus z inverse plus z raised to -2. You can also write this as 2 plus z plus 1 by z plus 1 by z square. So this is the answer for this example. This was the simple example in Z transform. Hope you understood the way we have solved it. If you have any doubt related to this video or any other videos in Emmanuel Tutorials or any other concepts in signals and systems or electronics and telecommunication engineering, you could mention them in the comments of any of our videos and we would try to upload a video explaining that. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.
Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.